So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. See, they're not content and they're not happy with how things have been playing out. Maybe for some of them, they're not, they're not happy about their financial stability. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aries, but this person realizes like, okay, I'm going to have to get myself together. But in the meantime, you guys aren't really talking. There's little to no communication there. This person is afraid that they're not going to have a victory with you. Okay. But they're coming out of being frustrated because at one point they thought that they lost you for good. But they're afraid that if they give you an offer, you're going to turn them down. So I'm seeing that they're making a decision, again, to get out of their head. Okay. Yep. And they're going to clear away these obstacles, that's preventing them from, coming towards you and speaking up. See, there's the Wheel of Fortune. This person's been going through lessons. And this cycle is wrapping up. It's done, and they want to start a new cycle with you. See, but they got to tell you the truth. They have to open up and they have to be honest with you. For some of you, like this person definitely wants a family with you. But maybe they're not taking a leap because there was some type of family situation going on. Tell me more. Yeah, see, this person's trying to balance things out. Some of you could have been dealing with another Pisces. Somebody could have been dealing with a Sagittarius. See, they keep thinking about the past, and everything that they've done, and because of their deception, they feel like you're gonna cut them off. Ooh, okay. They were running in and out of your life, and that's why it's like every time they want to say something to you, they don't. See what I'm saying? This person, they're upset with themselves because it's like they can't give you an offer. They put themselves in a codependent situation, and that's what they're trying to balance out first. The seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow. Okay. They want to have a new beginning with you, but see how that's a little shaky? They're in some type of third-party situation, and they know that they're not happy. They know they need to get out of it, but they're still hesitating. So, like I said, third party doesn't have to be like another love interest. It could be friends. It could be family. It could be career. There's just something that's just blocking you guys from coming together. And see, they want to work things out with you, but they're losing hope. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius here. But this person definitely will be coming back to give you an offer because they want to heal things and they want things to improve with you. But, look at that, 9 and 10. Yeah, see, cycles, endings. This person's going to have to let someone go or let a behavior go. It's something that they were doing, someone that they're around. They're going to have to make some serious changes. And this person knows that they had you waiting around, but I feel like they've been waiting around. What see is money. So they're wanting things, look at that money. They're wanting things to improve on their end when it comes to their financial stability first. See, because they've been still somewhat avoiding some type of tower moment here. Tell me more. Why is the 5 of Wands here? Yeah, okay. I feel like there's been a lot of conflict on their end with someone else. Like maybe they've been arguing with someone over finances. But if not, I feel like this person's just always in their head. They're overthinking, but this person does keep an eye on you. They watch you. Didn't I tell you? They watch you. I told you. They watch. Oh, okay. That came out kind of forcefully, okay? They watch you. They do not want you to walk away from them. Okay, let's see. They feel like they're not going to have a happy home at this point with you because they messed up. And I'm seeing they made a decision. See, they want to be with you. Somebody's dealing with a Taurus. But they're afraid that they're not going to be able to turn things around. And see, that's what makes them sad. Clarify the 5 of Cups. They're moving slow. Somebody definitely did take a financial loss. See, look, I'm telling you, this is about money. Somebody is going through it with their finances right now. And this is why it's like they want a new opportunity with you, but right now they feel like they can't. For some of them, let's just say if they did get out of some type of like situation with another individual, whatever is going on, it's like the reason why they're not moving forward with you just yet because they got to get the money part together first. So they could just be throwing themselves into their career. See, it's like they're moving slow. They feel like you don't want to have anything to do with them. Because they didn't do right by you. See, they didn't balance things out. Somebody could have been dealing with a Gemini. Okay. Right now, they're not putting in the work. They're not talking to you. And it's like they're not listening to their intuition. Look at the High Priestess and the Hierophant. That's the third time I've seen them somewhat together today. So some of you guys, this is definitely a soulmate or a twin flame situation. But they're frustrated and they're feeling stuck because they can't move forward with you just yet. Somebody's dealing with a Cancer. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. But they're going to have to put an end to a situation here. It's a mother figure. Their mother. Yeah, see, I told you, they're cutting someone off. So that's why I told y'all, if it's not a love interest, it could be friends, it could be family, but there's somebody around them they're going to have to let go of. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Clarify the Devil. They're not happy. They are not happy about the situation that they're in. And it's like 1 minute they're listening to their intuition, they're trying to be confident, you know, they're like, okay, I'm going to move forward to, you know, towards him or her. But the next minute they're still dragging their feet because of fear. See, they don't have the strength to come towards you just yet. Could be dealing with a Leo. They're making changes. So whoever I'm picking up on, I am seeing that they're doing what needs to be done in order to change their life, change their behavior. So they can become a better man and or a better woman for themselves before they approach you. So I'm telling you, you're going to get that offer. See, Justice. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Clarify Justice. Let me see. But they feel like their justice, you know, for how they treated you is basically not having you at all. This person feels like you don't want to build with them anymore. See, I told you 2 3s and they're both reversed. This person, I'm telling you, there was a third party. They're removing themselves from that situation, but that's why they're afraid it's not going to happen between the two of you. See, they're trying their best to come out of, you know, not worrying about it, but they don't know what to do. They don't even know how to fix this. They definitely want to heal things because they stabbed you in the back, and I'm seeing they made the decision, but right now they're still isolating themselves. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. But they're going to have the confidence, I feel like, to come towards you. Ooh. See, I knew it. I told you. They're going to have the confidence to come towards you because this is somebody who is going to give you that stable, secure offer. This is the offer that you want. That cup is overflowing. This is a very good offer, okay? Look at that. But right now, they're just not positive if you're going to take it or not. See, because they left you out in the cold. They don't know what you're going to do. And see, it's like they're having a hard time coming towards you. But at the end of the day, they're being pushed to say something, to take some type of action. Because, see, look at it. 2 of Cups laying on top of the Ace of Cups. They want to be with you. They want a relationship. They want this commitment. They want this to work. But they're afraid you don't want it anymore. They're afraid it's not going to happen. So right now, they're stuck. Because they got to decide, okay, what am I going to do? Remember, I told y'all very soon, clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Look at them. They're juggling. This person they're trying to figure it out. They're like, okay, I got to make a decision. Am I going to, you know, swallow my pride and reach out to this person and tell them what it is that I want, apologize, and just go in and just let them know what happened? Or am I just going to pretend like I'm okay, there's no problem, move forward in my life, and then lose the person that I know I want to be with? They got to figure it out. Okay. Let's look. Look at that. There you are, Queen of Cups. Bottom of the deck, but you're reversed. This entire situation between you and this person that I just picked up on, like, it bothers you. It does bother you guys. You think about it. To the outside world, they think you're okay, but you wear a mask. Look at, there's your card. See what I'm saying? Pisces. To the outside world, everybody else thinks you're okay. You're not worried about him or her. You're moving on. But no, behind closed doors, this situation bothers you. Why is the moon here? You're back and forth. Okay. I feel like there's some fear of an ending, you know, between you and this other individual. So for a lot of you, you're like, you know what? I have to put an end to this situation because it's not going anywhere. I'm tired of going through the same old cycle. You know, I want happiness in my life. So look at that. I told you, you're coming out of being frustrated. And Spirit is saying you will have your victory. Okay. But the offer, I feel like whether this is the person or other offers that are coming in, you're not really feeling it. Look at that. You can't sleep. You know, I feel like you're worried and you're frustrated because, see, you want to balance things out with this person. There's communication coming in. So whether that's you communicating to this person or this person coming back to say something to you. Tell me more. Yeah, look at that. Somebody wants things to improve between the two of you. Okay. Somebody wants to move forward. But you're like, I don't see myself moving forward with you. You know, and it sucks because look, the 4 jumped on top of the other 4. So this tells me at one point you saw yourself having a happy home, a family with them. You know, maybe you guys lived with each other. But there could be a situation, you know, on their end, like they live with someone. It was family that came between you. You know, they had a family. You know, whatever the situation is. You know, and that's why you're like, I don't know. See, look, 9 of Pentacles, you freed yourself. You're like, I'm not dealing with that. I'm not going back through that nonsense. See, you walked away. You're like, nope, I'm moving in another direction. So this person's going to come back wanting to fix things with you. And you're like, nope. See? Whoever this person is that you're dealing with, I feel like they don't talk. They don't speak up. They have a problem communicating. And you're like, I need to be with a grown man or a grown woman that can use their words, that can talk. I don't have time for this. We're getting too old. No. You're back and forth with the 6 of Cups. See, it's like, I told you, 1 minute you're like, I can see myself moving forward with them, but then you're like, I'm thinking about the past, and it's like, it's a no for me. It's a no. See, justice. Your justice is being served. The thing is, you are wanting the truth from this person, but you're like, you know what? You need to get yourself out of this family situation. It's what you're telling them. But then also, this is what some of you guys are thinking. I'm not going to have a family with them. You know, this person's immature and childish. You know, they're not going to give me the offer that I deserve. So you know what? I'm making a decision to cut them off. Y'all are done. You're like, nope, not doing it. And if they do come back, look at that. You're being cold and harsh. So the fact that I'm seeing the king here and the king and the queen of swords, this is some type of like soulmate situation. Some it could be a twin situation because everybody's on, you know, different cycles. Scenarios are different. For some of you, this could be a karmic connection. Take it however it fits your situation. But regardless, there is a connection that you share. But the problem is you're tired of the nonsense. So now your guard is up with them. Now your words they're cutting, okay? They're a little harsh, okay? Some of y'all might just be cussing them out like y'all tired, okay? Pisces, leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates. I hope you enjoyed your readings.